Welcome all my rockstar writers. This lesson is on complete sentences. So what are complete sentences? And why do I have a PB and a J on this slide? Well, a complete sentence needs a subject, which I refer to as peanut butter, and a predicate, which I refer to as jelly, because subjects and predicates go together just like peanut butter and jelly. Let's talk about the subject of the sentence that I refer to as peanut butter. A subject is whom or what the sentence is about. Let's look at some examples. I want you to think about nouns. Nouns could be a person, for example, a grandma, a fisherman, a dad, or even a rock star. Or it could be a place. For example, the campground, the circus, the beach, or the coffee shop. Or it can also be a thing. For example, a pencil, a key, the sun, or a birthday cake. Next, let's talk about the predicate of the sentence. This is what I refer to as the jelly. What action the subject does or links the subject by telling what the subject is. Let's look at some examples of predicates. I want you to think about verbs. Verbs can be action words. They show the action of the subject. For example, dancing, kicking, singing, or even eating. It can also be a linking verb, which means it links the subject to something else in the sentence. For example, it could be am, is, are, was, were, been, will be, can be. These are all linking verbs, and they will link to something else in the sentence. Let's talk about some complete sentences. If we had some subjects, like musician, he or jacket, and some predicates like played, struggles, and was, let's put them together in a sentence. First of all, if you notice, he in the subject area is a pronoun. Well, yes, a pronoun can also be a subject. And then you see in the predicates, we have some action verbs and linking verbs. Looking at this sentence, we have the musician played the violin. What would be the subject? It would be musician, and played would be the predicate. So you have your peanut butter and your jelly, and you have a complete sentence. The next sentence, he struggles to hit the ball. Well, you have he for your subject, which is a pronoun, struggles, which is an action verb, and so you have your peanut butter and your jelly, so it's a complete sentence. Last, the thick jacket was warm. You have jacket as your subject, and you have was as your linking verb. Well, when you have a linking verb, like I said earlier, you have to link it to something to make it complete. The jacket was what? Well, the jacket was warm. Now you have a complete sentence. So you see, boys and girls, your subjects and your predicates go together just like peanut butter and jelly. Now it's your turn. The ball bounced off the goal. What is the subject? Good job. It is ball. What is the predicate? Yes, it is bounced. It's an action verb. The ball bounced. It has a subject and a predicate, so it is a complete sentence. The next one. A coach jumped around on the field. What is the subject? Good job. It's who of the sentence, the coach. And what did the coach do? The coach jumped. That would be the predicate of the sentence. So now you have a complete sentence. You got your peanut butter and your jelly. Let's look at the last one. They were happy about the win. What is your subject? They is the subject. It is a pronoun, but it is also part of a subject. What about the predicate? Yes, it is were. So were is our linking verb. So like I said earlier, our linking verb has to have something with it. They were what? Yes, they were happy. Now you have a complete sentence. You have your subject and your predicate, and you have what you are linking to. Now let's talk about complete subjects and complete predicates. Complete subjects are all the words that belong with the simple subject. A fast car. The simple subject would be car. A complete subject would be a fast car. Next, we're going to look at the complete predicates. The complete predicates are all the words that belong with the simple predicate. Let's take a look. Flew down the road. Flew would be the simple predicate. Flew down the road would be the complete predicate. Let's take a look at another one. My crazy dog jumped over the fence. The complete subject would be my crazy dog. The simple subject would be dog. The complete subject would be my crazy dog. And then the complete predicate would be jumped over the fence. And the last one. They found the lost key. The complete subject is they. Take a look at that. The simple subject is they, the complete subject is they, because there are no other words that belong with the subject. And then the complete predicate would be found the lost key. As you notice, all of those words in the predicate belong with found. What did they find? Found the lost key. So, my rockstar writers, now you know about subjects and predicates and complete sentences. You can go write yourself a complete sentence. You got this. Now you can go rock your writing.